Hey friends, if Quick Assist is not working or opening on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So search for Quick Assist in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. It will open Quick Assist. If this doesn't work, then search for Quick Assist in the Windows search bar and go to App Settings. Wait till the page loads. Okay, it needs a few seconds. Scroll down and terminate the process. Now click on Repair and wait till it repairs. Then you can consider resetting it. Now, if that doesn't help either, then uninstall it and then go to the Microsoft Store, let it load, and then search for Quick Assist and go to the app and reinstall it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.